Now, where is the microwave? I've always wanted to try stuff like this. Power. Beep. Beep. Ah!